Hey there, Bravo here, and today I'm going to show you how to place a special order using the Create Later option. When you take a down payment for a special order and choose Create Later, Bravo saves that order in a queue. To get started, head to the right side menu, expand Inventory, and click Stock Management. From here, go to the right side menu again and click Add Purchase Order. On the purchase order screen, navigate to the right side menu and click Add Special Order. A list will appear with all saved special orders. Just click the checkboxes for the ones you want to add to this purchase order. Now let's attach the vendor. In the lower left corner, click Select Vendor. I'll search by business name, highlight the vendor, and click Select. Once the order has been placed with the vendor, I'll change the status from New to Ordered. Then I'll fill in the order details. Only shipping terms and shipping amount are required. After that, I'll hit Save, and now we just wait for the order to come in. Fast forward to when the order arrives. Let's check the items into inventory. Back in the right side menu, expand Inventory and click Stock Management. In the purchase order grid, highlight the special order and click Edit Purchase Order. Change the status from Ordered to Check In. Since this one's a firearm, I'll click SN to record the details. I'll enter the serial number, importer, and location. Then down at the bottom, I'll add the ATF record details, manufacturer, model, action, and caliber. When that's done, I'll click OK. I'll repeat that intake process for any other items received in the order. Once everything's entered, head back to the right side menu and click Add to Inventory. Then hit Save. The special order item is added to our inventory. Now let's contact the customer. Head back to the dashboard and click the Customer Not Notified Task button. Find your customer on the list, send them a quick message to let them know their item's ready, and then go to the right side menu and click Mark Ready for Pickup and click Save. And just like that, your special order is complete. All that's left is for the customer to come pick it up. And that's it. We placed a special order using the Create Later option, processed it through the queue, checked it into inventory, and got it ready for your customer. If you have any questions, check out our Solution Center, ask our AI chat, Judy, or you can create a support ticket. Thanks and have a great day.